Hi everyone, my name is Diptima Sahu and I have completed my Masters in Central University of Technology and Management. In our chemistry subject, we had to take a domain in our third semester in which I had opted for composite design and manufacture. In this subject, you will not only learn but also will experience skill which is to design a composite using our hand layout method. And along with that, we also link with many softwares such as CUTM V5, BioWare, Metal Studio, as well as 3D Experience. In our fourth semester, we were given a project which was of 6 credit, and for that we had to go to PKD campus of Central University, and there we learned 3D Experience. There we learned how to design a fish breeding tank. And before that, we were given training in our Bhubaneswar campus how to use composite materials such as matrix and reinforcement, where we have to epoxy resin was given, and glass fiber was given as the reinforcement, and then we were also used a binder to mix it properly and all, and properly bind it. And in the PKD campus, we built a 30,000 liter fish breeding tank, and a proper environment how to make a fish to grow. And it was a portable tank, and it was cost effective and economic for all the fishers or fishermen who want to cultivate fish. And it was a very good subject, and not only we learned but also we were experiencing the labor works and all, and it was a very good experience, and we are thankful to our Central University for giving us this good subject and domain subject, and which we can implement it in our future, and we are very much thankful for that. Thank you.